Hi, I'm Tess from Northern Territory Indigenous Tours, and I'm a tour guide here in the Top End, and I run my tours out to Litchfield National Park, and I pick up in Darwin, and I also go down to the Territory Wildlife Park. I do have a website. It's www.ntindigenoustourscom. Yeah, my website is bookable on site.
Yep.
And also I'm booked through About Australia, and also through Total Travel. Yeah, most of the booking are connected through the exchange button, and it's really easy for them to use, and all the information's there for them to read, and really easy to access as well. This is really excellent for my business, and it gives me really good full control, and it really connects me up to what I really need to get my job done in my business. I think it's a really excellent system, and coming home from my tours, I can come home and open up the computer, and you can find that the information's already done for you, and it's simple as simple, and then you could just do your rest of your bookings and all that sort of stuff, so it's really excellent. Exchange here has helped me to lure other customers through other websites. So by having the control to use my exchange, I could update my information a little bit later, or I can put the tour back a bit if I'm really busy, or if I need to do other changes in the system. So the exchange is a really excellent tool to use in that way. Being on exchange has really freed up my time here in my business, and I can be able to go out and do my tours, and I can always come back later and check my exchange, and just to make sure that everything's all in order. I can be able to make changes if I need along the way, making sure that everything's being paid for my tours, and I can just walk away from the computer without having to always be there 24/7 and looking at the computer all the time. So, and you know, it's a really excellent system to help you to not be always in front of a computer all the time, and you can go out and enjoy part of your real tours, your business.